Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your source values are numeric and free of stray characters. Excel treats text as zero length. Once done, choose a nearby empty column and enter the numbers you'll convert. You must decide the log base up front because functions differ. Base 10 uses log10, natural log uses ln, and log accepts a custom base. Make sure to select the first output cell adjacent to your inputs so you can write a reproducible formula. Now apply the proper function. Type equals log10, A2 for base 10 or equals ln, A2 for natural logs. These are straightforward and fast. If you need a different base, type equals log, A2 3 for base 3 or replace 3 with your chosen value. Once the first formula works, drag the fill handle down or double-click it to copy. If you'll reuse the same base cell, switch that reference to absolute, for example $B$1, so future fills remain correct. Finish by formatting the output column to a sensible number of decimals using home or round, and label the header with the base you used so others understand your results. If you encounter #num or hash value errors, check for negative inputs or text. Use IFER log A2. Check input to flag issues. If negative values must be logged, transform them first, absolute value or complex math, but document that choice. Make sure to save and verify a sample of calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.